All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIIMS Director Dr. Randeep Guleria, speaking on Omicron variant of COVID-19, said we should prepare and hope that things are not as bad as in the UK. We need more data on Omicron, he added. Whenever there is a surge in cases in other parts of the world, we need to monitor it closely and be prepared for any eventuality, he added. The Election Laws Amendment Bill 2021, which seeks to link electoral rolls with the Aadhaar ecosystem to weed out duplication, was passed in the Lok Sabha today amid protests by opposition. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor said, Aadhaar is only meant to be a proof of residence. It's not a proof of citizenship. You are potentially giving the vote to non-citizens, he said. Union Minister of State Dr. Jitendra Singh today shared new pictures of the world's highest railway bridge being built over the Chenab River in Jammu and Kashmir. Stating that the bridge is under fast construction in Riyasi, Singh added once completed, the bridge will stand at 359 meters above riverbed level, higher than the Eiffel Tower of Paris. The UK Health Security Agency on Sunday tweeted that 12,133 new cases of the Omicron COVID-19 variant were reported in the country in the last 24 hours, taking the total case tally to 37,101. Earlier on Sunday, Health Secretary Sajid Javid refused to rule out further restrictions ahead of Christmas. On Saturday, 90,418 COVID-19 cases were reported in the United Kingdom. Thailand has sent over 600 refugees back to Myanmar even as clashes in its neighboring country continued, a Thai official confirmed. Refugees who had taken shelter at a local Thai school were reportedly made to board trucks to be sent across the border. Over 2,500 refugees had crossed over to Thailand following ongoing fights between ethnic rebels and the Myanmar military. Abhay Dange and Supriyo Chakraborty, the gay couple who had a wedding last week in Telangana, have shared pictures from their Bengali ceremony. The couple reportedly had celebrations that included Haldi and Mehendi ceremonies with Bengali and Punjabi traditions. While the Supreme Court of India struck down the law that criminalized gay sex in 2018, there is no law allowing same-sex marriage yet in India. Bollywood superstar Salman Khan announced that the sequel of his 2015 film Bajrangi Bhaijaan at the pre-release event of S.S. Rajamouli's RRR on Sunday. The film will be written by Rajamouli's father K.V. Vijayendra Prasad, who also penned the first part. During the event, Salman also spoke about how Rajamouli's father gave him one of the best films of his career.